recorded. So dear students, good evening. Hope all of you are very well today. Today we are going to learn WH questions. So at first we'll have to understand what is WH question. Then we will learn the use of who, which, what, when, where. So all these WH questions chronologically. Okay, Nafis. So let's share the screen. Here we are going to learn, and that is so there. Okay. Dear Ishrat Jarin, Kamaluddin, Nagib. So as there is no college number, I am not going to permit them. Okay. Srijan, is it right? Okay. I first would like to be ensured that you are the students of this class. Welcome to this session. Today we are going to learn English. Okay. This is our class. The students are still waiting. So let's permit some of the students who have ID card, means college number. And first, framing WH questions. So when we get this framing WH question, we generally want to know what is actually WH question. Okay. So the questions which start with who, which, what, when, where, how, why is called WH questions. So for example, provided sentence means this sentence will be given in question number 9 and 10 marks will be allotted for it, and still I know that all of you are very good boys, but still I think there are some naughty boys. Okay. Okay. So now, provided sentence, he calls me a fool. This is a sentence, and here a fool is underlined, right? So the WH question will be, what does he call you? Because me, if it is first person, it would be automatically second person. So write down, dear students, start writing. Then note 1, we will also write down the notes as well so that we can understand every single thing properly. There is a confusion and there is a question like, sir, what is WH question and what is WH word? We get confused sometimes, and here we would like to solve it. Mahatab Kadir guest. No, I cannot allow. Guest will not. I don't know actually the person. Okay. So dear students, the difference between WH word and WH question is that if WH word is used in an interrogative sentence, then the WH word will be considered as WH question. Okay. For example, which is your pen? Here, which has been used in interrogative sentence. So write down it quickly. I would like to make you prepared about these two different issues. One is WH word and another is WH question. So when it would be in interrogative sentence, it will be WH question. When it would be in assertive sentence or it will be used in any clause, it will be WH word. You would like to know, I think, what is actually clause, right? The students are late. Okay. So if WH word is used in an assertive sentence or in a clause, the WH word will be WH word, that very word will be considered or will be called as WH word. For example, I have found the pen which I lost yesterday. So dear students, here write down I found the pen which I lost yesterday. Here I will be written. Write down, look at the whiteboard. This I will be written. So write down that very I. So Nafis Ahmed, have you understood the difference between this which and another which is your pen, which is your pen? Here this is which and this is also which. So this which, the which has been used in interrogative sentence is WH question, and this is also which, but this has been used in an assertive sentence, right? So this is called WH word. Nafis, are you
Yes,
clear?
sir, I understand.
Okay, I have understood. Ami bujhechi, you have wanted to tell it, right? Now, person change. When we want to change anything, then at first we think what would be the person. Like in the previous sentence you have seen that he calls me, amake bole, right? And when we found that very WH question, it automatically transformed into what does he call you? So the first person has been changed into second person. Am I clear, dear student? Dear students, if any student wants to enter into the class, just message him if possible that they must need college number and name, because I don't know your mother's name or father's name, or I don't know whether he is a student or not. So I am not going to permit them. So here, generally third person and second person of the subject will not be changed to frame WH question. Okay, two students have raised hand. What is the reason? Let's see. But first person of the subject will always be changed into second person, as I have seen, right? He calls me. So this me will be changed automatically you. So if we find I in the statement, the subject will be you. If we find we in the statement, the subject will be you. If we find our, this is a possessive adjective. Dear students, in the previous class, hopefully I taught it. Our. This is our, this is possessive adjective and it would be your. This is adjective, this is also adjective. So our will be changed into your. My will be changed into your. Me will be changed into you. Okay. Here again that very grammar. Me. Me is first person. And that's why me has been changed to you. Just follow it. He calls me a fool. Then the question will be, what does he call you? Why does? That is the question. Why does? We know that if the statement is in present indefinite tense, write a note here. If the statement is in present indefinite tense and if there is main verb, if there is main verb, do oblique does will be used. Do oblique does will be used in interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. This is very, very important, dear students. The use of tense. Use of tense is very, very important to write down the answer. Dear students, have you completed? And another one is Raju was in class 5. This is past indefinite tense. And class 5 means in which class, right? So which class was Raju in? But dear students, don't use auxiliary verb or be verb after the subject in interrogative sentence. Write down another very important note. Have you written this note, Nasif? Nafis? Nafis, have you written down?
Yes, sir. I have written down.
Have you written what I have written on board?
Yes, sir. I have written what you have written on board.
Okay, thank you. So we can wrap it and we can write down another rule.
Sir, I have one question.
Okay, question and answer session. Dear students, is it related to this note?
Sir, it is not related to this note, but related to WH question.
Okay, not now. Later it would be conducted. Okay, here,
sir.
let me teach fluently. Okay, what is that? Dear students, I was just forgetting what was I going to teach. So here, note, in WH question, you must write down auxiliary verb or be verb before the subject. So it must not be used after the subject. Auxiliary verb or be verb cannot be used after the subject. It will be used before the subject. Here, as we find, Raju was in class 5. So which class was Raju in? Not Raju was in. Okay, dear? And Nafis, we have almost 20 rules. After completing 20 rules, then you can find that what you wanted to ask, that has been actually answered. Okay, marker. Then he helped the poor man. So here this is past indefinite tense, right? That's why we will write down who did he help. Is it done? Write down dear students, use of different WH questions. Now we would like to learn chronologically. Now we are learning the use of who. In Bangla, it is not ki, it is ke. Okay. Generally, who is used instead of a singular or a plural subject. Generally, who will be used instead of means poribatte, right? So here provided sentence, Tamal is coming to us. So here Tamal has been underlined, and that's why we will write Tamal is the subject and this is singular subject, and that's why we are writing who is coming to you, because you are answering that us. You are telling, and when I am asking the question, then I will ask who is coming to you. Okay. Now, provided sentence, Shima is talking to Hassan. So who is talking to Hassan? Here Shima is the subject. So as it is the subject, we have used who instead of that very subject. Is it clear? So write down there. Okay. Then another sentence you will find here that Shima is talking to Hassan. It's okay. Provided sentence, Rabindranath was the first Indian to get a Nobel Prize. That means he was the first one who got the Nobel Prize. That means who was the first Indian? Write down who was the first Indian to get a Nobel Prize. A Nobel Prize means every year in different fields Nobel Prizes are given in 6 fields. So write down it. And dear students, you are instructed to open your video, switch on your video. I would like to see. Good. Then is it done? Here, special note. So if we ask an object with who, the structure of the sentence will be different. For example, I went with my elder brother. I myself went with my elder brother. Here the WH question will be, who did you go with? Who did you go with? Kar সাথে গিয়েছিলে, it means. Okay? And honesty is the best policy. So which is the best policy? Okay? You can also write down what is the best policy. And dear students, see, Raju is a firefighter. So here, who is a firefighter? The tortoise felt angry. Who felt angry? So write down this one. Wasik, Sadiq, Arab. Dear students, have you completed? Nafis Ahmed, done. If it is done, then raise your hand so that I can understand that you have completed. Okay. Good. Good. Now, use of who. And the Bangla word has been written in English letter. Who means K, right? Here, okay. So dear students, now write down this one. What? Done. Write down the note. Generally, what is used as the complement of a singular and plural subject? We have talked about it. In that case, linking verb or be verb will be used as the main verb of the sentence. This is important. And see, be verb and linking verb. Mr. Islam is a banker, right? Here, Mr. Islam is the subject. Okay, Mr. Islam is the subject, and this is be verb. Be verb or linking verb. Okay. And Mr. Islam is the subject. Banker is the complement. So dear student, write down a note. First structure. Subject plus be verb. Be verb means linking verb. Linking verb plus complement. So if we find any be verb or linking verb, that very be verb or linking verb will be used after what? So what, who is a banker? Here, if we underline a banker, then we will tell what is Mr. Islam. What is Mr. Islam? This is be verb or linking verb. But if there was Mr. Islam was underlined, then we could write down who is a banker. So these questions we can make two WH questions with the same sentence. If Mr. Islam is underlined, then this will be the answer. If a banker is underlined, this will be the answer. Okay, dear students. Now, have you completed? I like to drink coffee and tea. So coffee and drink. Tea. Coffee and tea is indicating a drink, right? So what do you like to drink? Coffee and tea has been indicated here. Then protein and dairy make us strong. So what make us strong? Why? Here protein and dairy, this is plural. And that's why we have not used any s or es with that very make verb. We have not told what makes us strong, because here the subject indicates plural subject. Srijan, why not?
Yes, sir.
What makes us strong? Why not what makes us? Why not makes? Why make? Nafis Ahmed, tell me. Why the answer is not what makes us strong? Why it has been told that what makes us strong? I think Nafis has not understood. Now let's see. Dear students, I am making you understand. Be clear a little bit. Be attentive and then it would be easy. Protein and dairy, this is two different subjects, right? So protein is 1 item, right? One ingredient of the food. Dairy is another ingredient of the food. So there are two items, and that's why this is plural. And when we are going to make it into WH question, so what actually indicating that very plural subject? And that's why no s has been added with the word make. Okay? But if it was the sentence, talking too much makes me disturbed. Makes me disturbed. And here, talking too much. This is the subject and this is singular, right? This is singular subject. So we are using what, and then we are using makes. You. This is first person and this is second person. Disturbed, and this is adjective. Here, dear students, this is the point that we are going to learn. That when what will be used instead of singular subject, verb will be singular. When what will be used instead of plural subject, verb will be plural. And here you can find what make us strong. And provided sentence, she is a new English teacher here. So this is the complement, a new English teacher here. Because of this complement, only what has been used. What is she? Okay, dear students. Now, note. Write down this one. If we use what to make to ask the subject, what itself will be used as the WH question instead of the subject of the provided sentence. If we use what to ask the subject, what itself will be used as the WH question instead of the subject of the provided sentence. Here, this made him sad. So here, what itself is the subject. Dear students, have you understood here? What itself is, this is the subject. What makes you disturbed? Or what made him sad? So here, what is the subject? Yes, Nafis. Dear, tell me. Have you understood?
Sir, I did not ask any question.
Okay, thank you. So write down this one. If you have any problem, then tell me. What made him sad? Have you understood this one? Here, what has been used as the subject of the WH question? Okay. Now, her result made him happy. So what made? Here me. Me means first person. So it would be second person in WH question. What made you happy? So dear students, we have less than 1 minute. What I would like to tell, that revise the WH questions properly and practice it